In this lesson, we will discuss rates and unit price. A rate is a ratio comparison of quantities with different units. Sometimes you will see the word par, and that just means divide. Let's look at some examples. For number 1, we see that Maria scored 84 points in 12 games. How much did she score per game? So you would take your 84 points, and she scored this in 12 games. To find out what she scored in one game, you would just need to divide this by 12. 84 divided by 12 is 7. So this means that she scored 7 points in one game. 7 points per game on average. For the second problem, Steve drove 72 miles on 3 gallons of gas. Find the miles per gallon. So Steve drove 72 miles on 3 gallons. To find out how many miles he got per gallon, you're going to divide this by 3. 72 divided by 3 is 24. So this means he got 24 miles per gallon, per 1 gallon. For the last example, we see that Linda ran 15 miles in 5 hours. How many miles did she run per hour? So you're going to take 15 miles that Linda ran in 5 hours. To find out that rate, you're going to divide by 5. And this is going to give us 3 miles per hour. So that would be Linda's rate. That is how we calculate rate. Now we're going to look into unit price. The unit price is simply the price per unit. It helps us determine whether or not you're getting a good deal, or sometimes you want to determine which is a better deal. I have the formula written out here where it says the unit price will be the price or the total price divided by the number of units. Sometimes it is better to buy things in bulk. But let's go ahead and do some examples. I'm going to go ahead and erase the work I have here for the rates so that I can make some room. So just bear with me. Okay, that looks good. All right, let's go ahead and get started. For the first one, for the unit rates, 5 bags of chips cost $10. What is the unit price? You may need a calculator for some of these, so go ahead and pull that out. So for here, the total price is $10 for 5 bags. It's supposed to be bags. To find the unit price, you're going to take this total and divide by the number of bags. 10 divided by 5 is 2. That means this unit price is $2 per bag. So each bag would be about $2. For my second example, we see that it costs $3.99 for 25 ounces of chemicals, or $6.99 for 90 ounces of chemicals, which is a better buy. Let's go ahead and work that out. For the first one, we have $3.99 for 25 ounces. Divide that using your calculator, and you will get 0.1596. For my second one, I have $6.99 divided by 90. Go ahead and divide that. And I'm getting 0.077, and so on. Which is the better buy will be the cheaper one, which is this one. So for here, the better buy will be that, $6.99 for 90 ounces. For my third example, let's start that right here. I have a 16-ounce package of pasta that costs 79 cents. 32-ounce costs $3.49. Which one's a better deal? Well, let's go ahead and convert these cents into dollars. Just divide that by 100. You'll get 0.79. Divide that by 16. So 0.79 divided by 16 will give you 0.049. And then for the second one, I have $3.49 for 32 ounces. $3.49 divided by 32. I'm getting 0.109. This was 0.04. So which is the better buy would be the first one, a 16-ounce package of pasta. So this is how you can determine, say you're at the store and you want to figure out, is it a better deal for me to buy 10 or 5? Just go ahead and calculate the unit price and you'll be able to figure that out.